Have you ever dreamed of studying abroad but got hit with the dreaded tuition fee shock that made you want to cancel everything? Yeah, you're not alone. Let's talk about education loans for abroad studies. If you're here, you probably want answers to questions like, can I actually afford to study abroad? Will banks even give me a loan if I don't have rich parents? What happens if I can't pay it back on time? You're not just looking for money, you're looking for freedom to choose your future. Let's break it down. What exactly is an education loan for abroad studies? Simply, an education loan is money borrowed from a financial institution, like a bank or NBFC, that helps you pay for your tuition, accommodation, flight tickets, books, even your laptop sometimes, when you go to study in another country. To simplify, you borrow it now and you pay it back later, usually after you finish your studies and hopefully land a job. There are two types of loans: secured loans, where you provide collateral; unsecured loans, where you don't, you just choose what works best for you. How it actually works? Here's the typical journey. You apply to a university abroad. You get your offer letter. You take that letter to a bank and say, hey, I need a loan. The bank checks your academic record, your chosen university, your course, and your cosigner, often your parents. If they're satisfied, they'll approve the loan. The money is either disbursed directly to the university or in tranches over the duration of your course. Most banks will also offer you something called a moratorium period, which means you don't have to start repaying right away. You usually get the course duration plus 6 to 12 months before repayment kicks in. The hidden side most people miss, so here's the thing. Your choice of loan provider can make or break your journey. Private lenders can be faster, more flexible, and collateral-free, but may charge higher interest. Public banks are more trusted but slower and often require security. When you apply for a loan, these are few terms you need to know. Collateral, security, like property you offer in return for the loan. Margin money, the part of the total expense you have to pay, which banks don't always cover 100%. Interest subsidy, some government schemes help you pay less if you meet certain criteria. Finally, let's see what exactly you are looking for. So, what's the final takeaway? An education loan isn't just about paying for a degree. It's about buying time to become who you want to be without emptying your parents' life savings. And if you play it smart, pick the right lender, understand the terms, and stay on top of your repayments, it could be the smartest risk you'll ever take. If you're thinking about studying abroad and need help figuring out your loan options, drop a comment below or DM us. We will be waiting. See you until next time.